Rocky Khan. Hi, bro. So today's video, let me just tell you what it is all about. It's about people copying my ideas. It's like I had thrown a biscuit and somebody who had to fetched it, the wrong biscuit. And another thing is, a lot of people messaged me saying my one video of mine is going viral where I was very angry. It is the cyclone time video. So that video is going viral and it is not right. That video has to be seen at the time when cyclone had hit. So I'm going to talk about all this. So let me just give you a clarification about the video first, and then I'll talk about the related topics peacefully. So that video that is going viral these days of me, and I have proudly shared it. When your family member is serious and you see people disobeying law and disobeying the orders and the severity of COVID-19 pandemic, what would you do? When you have to rush to the hospital and people are gathering to buy fish at 4-5 a.m. in the morning when it is cyclonic time, no doubt the vendors are trying to make money, but then people need to understand that due to this large gathering in public places or I'm sorry, I'm going to put off the messages. I'll reply to them later. And you need to understand when there are critical members in your family when you're going through a COVID time, and then you see people rushing to mutton shops at 5-6 in the morning. When it was a cyclonic time, you'll know how the cyclone was really bad hit to Goa. And at the same time, COVID cases were on rise. And you see people so careless on the streets where each and everyone is risking their own family members, and then they cry about that there are no facilities, there is no ambulance, there is no beds, there are no doctors, there is no ventilator, there is no oxygen. They start crying then. So that video, when I was in a rush at 6 a.m. I think so it was, in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning, and it was cyclonic wind, heavy wind, and I was hunting for bed for my in-laws. Both my in-laws were had to be admitted at that point of time, and we were not getting beds for myself. And I don't try to take favors. If it was in my favor and if it was in their luck to get a bed, they would get it. That is what I was. I didn't try to use my contacts. I did use my contact for others, but I never used contacts for myself or my family members. And that was really a painful time where I could see that so many families are struggling in the hospital, people lying down on the floor, people suffering from lack of oxygen and all these things. Everyone is to be blamed. Government is to be blamed for not being ready for the second wave, because we already were in the first wave. They should have been ready for the oncoming second wave. The people, in spite of knowing the first wave, how bad it was, and being careless about it in the second wave, also are to be blamed. At that point, why I said was, death should have been in each family. That is when you would realize, or you're waiting for that to be in your family. God forbid it doesn't happen. But I'm sorry, and I pray it does not happen, because it happened in my family. I lost my auntie, I lost my father-in-law, I lost my family members. I do not want to go on with that. But at that point of time, when you're suffering and people are careless about their own family members, who I have also been running for. There have been mothers who have delivered babies and their own husbands were not ready to come to the hospital to get them admitted, and I took those patients. That is the rage, that is the anger. You all must have seen players sometimes when players are playing on the ground, it's very easy to pass comments. It's very, very easy to pass comments on the players that he should have played like this, he lost the game. But do you know what the player suffers? You all should be in the shoes of the players. The bat or the ball should be in front of you. You'll realize the pressure of the entire 60, 70,000 people in the audience sitting and commenting. It's very easy, but it's very difficult for the player to play. That is when the rage comes out. And I'm not a god who would not do mistakes or who would not use slang language. Everyone I've seen boys and girls use it to their own parents, to their own grandparents. So don't take me as a saint or a god who is not going to do mistakes. This shirt may be white, but everyone looks at the white shirt, but when there is a spot on it, one small spot makes a big difference to you guys, right? And you all are not ready to make any changes to it. So that rage would have been yours as well if you had to have your own parents in the deathbed. तुमचे घरान कोण बरो नासलेलो आणि तुम्ही धांवता असलेली एम्ब्युलन्स सोदपाक नाल्यार बेड सोदपाक तेन्ना तुमचे आड कोण येता आसलेलो नाल्यार तुम्ही दुसऱ्यांक एन्जॉय करता आसतना पळयताले तुमकां राग येता आसलेलो. That was the situation that time. So now let me just go ahead with what I was saying. So there are a lot of people and I suggest everyone to watch the movie on Netflix, which is The Good Doctor. And after watching that movie, then you can comment on this video. There is a movie called Good Doctor on Netflix. Please watch the movie. It's an amazing movie. You will literally get goosebumps and you will cry and you will understand the practicality of life and who to give importance to. Every individual makes a difference. So I've been doing a lot of things. I hate copying anybody. I have my own ideas. So that is why people find it very interesting. How am I doing all these things? To make your own formula, it does take time, but only you can master it. Nobody else can. Similarly, I started grass cutting. You guys must have seen I started grass cutting. Why did I start it now? To see how many fall prey and how many do the same things. No doubt it is required, but it is required only on the turns of the roads, not everywhere. Why? Because rains are not over and the plants will still grow. And as soon as I started doing it, everybody started copying it. Now the joke is, these plants are going to grow again. Who's going to cut it? And my own friend who used to come to my house for the lockdown, he is one of the doctors who used to have mixed, because he used to not get high. He is a doctor from GMC. Because he used to not get high, he used to mix my Chivas Regal with vodka because it's not hitting him. He used to gulp down 1.5 bottle. So my dear friend doctor, what I put out to you was a biscuit and you fetched it. And you ended up cleaning the weeds that were growing in between the divider, which was the biggest mistake that you did. You travel to GMC every day. There are plants growing. There are plants planted in between the divider. I hope you know. And to anybody, please don't cut the weeds that are growing right now in the rains in between the divider. Let the plants in between the divider grow. Why? Why do we plant those plants in between the divider? Is to cut the oncoming lights of the oncoming vehicles, which helps the vision of one-sided vehicle. When we are passing by, two cars are passing by, the weeds in between or the plants that are planted in between help to cut the headlight that is falling on an opposite direction vehicle. And my dear friend doctor, you did cut those plants only, which were actually helping the drivers to cut the headlight coming from the oncoming vehicle. It's not about the machine, it's about where you use it, where you use your brains. So please, just because I was cutting the hay around houses, because there could be snakes around over there, that's the reason why I was cutting them, because children come out. But the grass growing in between the divider was necessary for accidents or headlights to stop coming on the oncoming vehicle. So you cannot just go anywhere and cut whatever or do whatever you want to do. And then, in my friend circle only, there are people in every friend circle. That is why I like to do my work by myself. I said we need to put glowing signboards in between the dividers, because the roads are narrow, and narrow roads having dividers is a big problem. So I just put this another biscuit, and he took that biscuit and he went and put small street signs, the glowing signs, and they don't last too long. So guys, please don't, when you copy it and add some of your masala to it, and then you bring it out. Now the same dish that is given in one restaurant, you serve it in another restaurant. If it is served in a better way, that is appreciated. But if you serve it in a worst way than you eat it in one restaurant, it's not going to get good comments. So what I do is, I have my own ideas. You all must have seen all my videos. What I do is everything out of the world. I have never copied anyone. I have never taken anybody else's ideas. I see the world through my own eyes. I have gone through those situations in my life, and I have tried to master every problem, and I try to find solutions out of it. Now, another thing is, another big announcement is, if somebody wants to copy this also, but you will not be able to master it, I'm going to put solar powered lamps, amber lamps that will keep on flashing in between the divider, solar powered street lamps which divide the road and will give you a warning sign, a blinking warning sign. So I'm going to install some solar panels with the light with a battery backup. That's going to be coming soon. If somebody wants to copy it and buy it earlier than me, and if you can afford it, you may do so, please. My ideas are open because they're for the safety of the public. As long as people are safe, I do not have any problems. But when you copy somebody's ideas, you always falter in it. That is how a lot of them did. Just cutting the grass haywire wherever required is not the right idea. Where you cut it, why you cut it, and how you cut it makes a big difference, guys. So yes, a lot of people have been copying some good things of serving food and all to the poor. That is good, because somebody is benefiting out of it. But over here, my friend doctor went and cut the required plants in between the divider, which should have been growing even more, because there was no plantation over there. He went and cut those required weeds growing in between the divider, which made it worse now. What was stopping the lights from coming from the oncoming vehicles, he made it more visible. Now the lights hit directly onto the oncoming vehicle. So simply don't do something that you do not know. And another thing is, spreading negativity everywhere. If you cannot do good, don't do bad also to someone. That is written in every holy book. Each and every holy book it is written, the words. If you cannot do bad, if you cannot do good, don't do bad also. And it's very easy to point out fingers at others. every COVID warrior who has been in the COVID times helping one another, they had the same dialogue. These people are careless, and so the cases are growing. These are the practical words. If you go and ask any COVID warrior who has been in GMC or been in district hospital or ambulance drivers or any doctors, you ask them who is responsible. Everyone is equally responsible, and which is what we don't like, because we are there on the field, we are trying to help people, but people are being careless. Now that the lockdown is off, the curfew is off, everybody is out again. A lot of people not wearing masks, they are not taking precautions. Okay, fine, you're not wearing mask in a certain area, you see that the rest of them are wearing masks. If you are not going to wear a mask, you see that everyone is, and if you are going to make a statement or going to talk and it's not audible enough, see that the rest of them are wearing masks and be safer. But most of them have suffered COVID now and are not so prone to as a fresh person. And yes, so as I have announced now that I'll be installing solar powered lamps for the dividers. Now I'm announcing this before anyone could from my group would pass on this message to someone and put, but yes, if you can put, you will reduce my pocket cost, because they cost quite a lot. So if you want to do so, please do so. That is a permanent solution, because it's going to take solar energy and make the lamps work. So it will last forever, and it's got 25 years of warranty. Solar panels have got 25 years of warranty with service throughout. I like to do permanent change, not temporary change. And the work that I have done, try to copy it. Until and unless it doesn't come within you, from within you, it will never be perfect. I like to do the same things differently, in a much better way. And yes, I have not been answering. Yes, I wanted to let you know too, but we know you and the purpose of your temperament. Yes, Rochelle, thank you so much. I feel you doing seriously good job. My question is, in fact, people also would like to know what inspired you or story behind to start Humanity. See, I've been doing, Seth, to answer you, I've been doing this for past 9 years. It's not my recent question. It's not my recent doings. It's been 9 years that I've been doing, but I started posting videos after my friends told me that if you don't post videos, if you don't use social media, which has made it so easier to reach out to the world, how do people understand that there is somebody called Digvijit Chavan who will be able to help you in different situations, different problems? That is when this pandemic that I started posting videos, because I was a very camera shy. Now I'm very confident in front of camera. In my house also I was a very shy person. But then yes, I made it a point to put out videos so that my videos reach out to people, people understand what problems are going on. If I don't make videos, how do I reach out to people to help any family? Now there was this simple recent example. 7-year-old boy suffering from liver cirrhosis and required a liver transplant. I put a video and they received lakhs of rupees. So this is why I put videos, for awareness, for youngsters to follow me. People ask me questions, how do I manage my funds? It's the biggest question today. If I do a tattoo at 10,000 rupees and I spend 8,000 rupees out of it, how difficult is it for me to do this work? Very easy, right? But do you have the heart to spend 8,000 rupees out of your salary? No. Why? Because you have not saved enough for your future. We all were busy buying branded clothes, branded mobiles, heavy definition phones, expensive cars, petrol, party, alcohol, cigarette, foreign trips, here and there, and then we go low on our funds at the end of the month. No, I did not do. How many times did you all see me going abroad? Not many times. only once or twice. And if I have 10,000 rupees in my pocket, I don't mind spending 9,500 rupees for the people. That is how it is possible. If I earn 1 lakh rupees, I don't mind spending 95,000 rupees for the people. That is how it is possible. It is not possible for you all because everybody is selfish today. Not selfish are the ones who are taking care of their family. Okay, you have a big family, you have to take care of the family, no problem. Save the money, but at least spend 5,000 rupees. In 5,000 rupees, if you are earning a lakh, you can help, I believe, at least 2 to 3 families with one whole month ration. Everyone can do it. Only thing you need to know the way to do it. If I have a business of, say, 1 lakh rupees a month and I'm spending 95,000 rupees out of it, because I don't believe in too many loans and overheads on me. I put my employees on commission based. I don't give salaries. You work more, you earn more. That is how you reduce your overheads. You don't have to pay salaries end of the month. So everybody can be me, what I am doing, and try to spend money. Out of 10,000, try to spend 9,500 from your pocket and you will see that you also can do the job that I am doing. But are you selfless enough to do this throughout? No. Why? Because I did not get a lot of things in my life from my parents, and I know what it is to not have everything in your life. That is why I do not want to save much for my family or my sons, because I want them to struggle the way I struggle, without education, without financial support, without a house, without a car, without a mobile, without clothes. I didn't get anything from my parents. The other day, my live video with my mom, she very well said that she ignored me because she had to take care of the 2 daughters, my 2 elder sisters. So I know what it is to not have. I have slept on KTC bus stand so many days. I have gone on dates. I have had dates at the KTC bus stand. After 9 p.m. when there are no people there, I used to sit there and have a chat with my girlfriend. Because I didn't have money to go to a hotel room. Or that time there were no Oyos. It's quite difficult, guys, for you all to say where the money comes from. You also can do it. Spend the entire money that you get from your pocket money. You will see that you also can do it. How much does the insurance of a 10 lakh rupee car cost? 20,000? But the car is worth 12 lakh rupees, sorry. Car is worth 12 lakh rupees. But I paid insurance for 20,000 rupees. Is it expensive? But if the car goes damaged, the 20,000 rupees saves me from a damage of 5-10 lakh rupees, right? So paying 20,000 is better or paying 5-10 lakh rupees is better? Now I did insurance today. Go and find out how much that insurance of 5 lakh rupees cost. You all will laugh at yourself. The insurance cover is 5 lakh rupees. But you get that insurance cover of 5 lakh rupees for 4 to 800 rupees. So do you spend 4 to 800 rupees or you spend 5 lakh rupees? Now that the question goes to you. You want to be safe or you want to be sorry? Would you spend a yearly 800 rupees or would you spend a yearly 5 lakh rupees? That is how you make difference. You need to use your brains. Everyone can be rich. I am rich from my heart. That is why I spend maximum money. You cannot spend your 1 lakh rupees entirely for the people. That is why you are in the question mark that how is this guy doing it? Go and spend all your money and see. Then you ask yourself, oh, I was also possible. It was possible for me also. Then you will say, oh yes, it is possible. When you don't do it, you will not understand. When you're not in the rough sea and you're just sailing through the very calm sea, you will not understand the difficulties faced by the rough sailors. When you're going in the airplane, you will not understand what the person traveling on the road from Goa to Bombay you'll reach in 45 minutes. But going from on the road takes you 12 to 14 hours. Rough roads, speed breakers, turns, risky turns, ghats, overtaking, accidents, slippery roads. So many things come on the way. You feel sleepy. This, the person going in the flight will not realize. But the person who goes through the road understand the problems going on the road. So ask yourself questions. How is it possible for him? Because I'm spending maximum earning of mine, which is not possible. I challenge everyone to spend 95%. I say 65% that I spend, but a lot of times that I come to situations of family members where they are so critical, I say, forget, I'm well off with 5,000. You take the 95,000. You require it more. I know how to make that 95,000 back again. You don't know how to make that 95,000 and you need it right now, so I'm giving it out to you. That is how you all feel, oh, how is he doing so much? Because for you to spend from your 1 lakh rupees or from your 10,000 rupees, you cannot even spend 1,000 rupees for anybody who is unknown to you. That is your heart. That is why I am coming live every time to put it out to people that we are in a very selfish world today. And if you want to see your children growing in a selfless world, it's up to you to make this world a better place where you help one another, make others feel. See, whenever there is a sad video, people immediately tag me. Why? I don't want people to tag me anymore. Because I want to see that the neighbors come and help. There will be so many neighbors in the neighborhood where families are suffering. Those people only can help. Why to put it on the news channel? Why do I have to go and help? There are 100 people around that family that is suffering. If everyone gives 500 rupees, then problem solve जातलो. Dunyak video घालून कित्याक दाखयता news. Or why am I making? Because nobody is coming to help. And people who want to help don't know who to help. That is why we put videos. That is how people come to know that that particular family is suffering. Now, if the news channel or an individual had not to put those videos, how would you know that there is such so and so family? How would someone come and help that family? Out of 100, if 10 people want to help and they don't know who to help, because of these videos, they are able to know who to help. This family requires it. It's not whiskey, guys, it's water. And not even vodka. Yeah, so people who want to complain, I have come through a lot of social media, I have seen criticism in the past. People called me a lot of names. This guy must be a drug dealer. This guy must be a human trafficker. He's doing prostitution. No. I have a big heart and I'm proud to say that I have a big heart. Come to my house. Roam with me. Get to know me. My wife complains at me. You're spending all the money. Tomorrow nobody will be there for you and your children. Let it not be. Let them struggle. Because the same was told to my father as well. Don't do it. Don't help the people. Nobody will be there for your family. Nobody was there for my family. Nobody was there for us. That is how I became big. I had to struggle. And let it go on. Let my children also do. My 2 sons, whenever kids come to our house and I give them the best of toys, when there is a child coming into the house, I see that my sons give away the best of the toy that is most favorite to them. I see that I make them give it to that boy. That's the art of giving. It starts from home. My dad is to make us do that. Give. the satisfaction in giving, and once you start giving and you get the vibe, the positive vibe, the blessings, you will continue doing it. I used to be really rude before. I used to really fight with people. I was arrogant. I was very nasty. People used to say, oh, party spoilers come. Yes, I've learned. I learned through my mistakes, and I'm way too different, but my look with the beard and all these tattoos on me and the gold that I wear makes me look like, the police officers also say, Baba, before we see you, like, no, we look like you're some gangster, you say some, but when we talk to you, say, Dusrat mare tu. The other day I was at Old Goa police station, solving out some friend's problem. Each and every person from the shop are passing by, smiling at me, looking at me, pointing fingers at me. Digvijit Chawani. All from the police station and all, they asking, sir, tu Digvijit Chawani, bare kaam karta. They took me in the PI's cabin. Sir, this is social worker, this is doing this. General store guy, sir, तुगेल video पयला, बरे काम करता तुम्ही sir, करत राहा, video घाला, sir, आमका बरे दिसता. Positive people are there, negative people are also there. I want to make everyone positive in this world. Let's not target one another. Whoever has done mistakes, whether it is BJP, whether it is Congress, whether it is AAP, we need to forgive those mistakes, okay? It is their karma, they will deal with their karma. Aiz maka falya tuka. Karmas don't go anywhere. They will come in this life only to you back again. So guys, please, let's stop being selfish, and you'll realize what I am doing is possible for everyone. Every MLA has got crores of rupees. They can do a big difference, very, very big difference. If I had to have their money, oh boss, people would say that I am some Bill Gates or somebody. If I had to have just one politician's money from Goa, I would have been on national news, international news, I would have been God knows where. Sonu Sood and all had a lot of media coverage because they are already celebrities. But they had a lot of donations coming from all the celebrities, crores of rupees. But the source is one, putting it out. So we all can make a big difference if we are selfless, not selfish. People who are selfish will wonder how this guy is doing so much. How do you manage so much? So now I don't expect everyone to do it right away. For 5 years, save your money. On the 6th year, after you saved some good money, try spending maximum of your salary on helping people. Take the blessings, make this world a better place, and you will understand that you are also capable of doing the same. I am so happy. My wife asked me, how can you do so? I was like, it's a personal touch. I am there at every occasion. Personally, that reduces most of the cost. If I give it to an employee to go, Baba, go and do this for that person, there's petrol for him, his salary, the people who are going to accompany him, give them 500 rupees. Then you buy all the goods. You will not buy that unknown person who is working for me will not ask for a discount. He is not going to say, Baba, this is for charity. When I go and tell in the shop that this is for charity, they give me at a cost price. Something that cost me 500 rupees, I end up getting it for 200, 250 rupees. That is where I get things cheap. That is where I can reach out to 2 people rather than 1 person. More, if I can reach out to, if I give the job to somebody else, he will be able to do help for 50 people or 25 people. But if I go personally, because my hard-earned money, I will ask for maximum discount. And I'll try to reach it out to maximum people. That is where I'll be able to help 100 people. That is how I'm able to do it, because I am doing every work, every video, I am personally available over there. That is where the cost is cutting down and I can reach out to more people. That is why I get upset when I see people outside carelessly, they are risking others' jobs, others' families. You have COVID, but then you're getting out thinking that you don't have COVID. You are a transmitter. You may be a transmitter. You may not suffer yourself, but you may put somebody else at the risk. That is why I was getting angry on Goans at that point of time. It's cyclonic time. Your life could be at risk. You are come out as a family, only earning member of the family, and you're out in the cyclone. One branch, you all saw what happened in Nuve. When there were normal rains and the tree cutting happened, the tree fell on that boy and he died. In that cyclone, you would have been at the receiving end and your family would have suffered. That is why I was angry. That you may suffer the injuries, but the family has to suffer all the repercussions and the tragic sadness. तुमका काय जायना, आम्ही बाहेर सरता, आमची फाटल्यान फॅमिली आती सफर जाता, तेका लागून गाळे मारतालो गोंयकारांक. आम्ही बाहेर सरताय, म्हाका काय जावपा ना रे, पळया कितें जाता तें, तुफान येयलो मरे, तुफान म्हाका काय करपा ना. बट यू आर द अर्निंग मेंबर, यू गॉट टू बी सेफ. देन सॉरी, your family will suffer behind you. That is why I was angry. Who will take care of them? Do you have enough insurance made that they will take care of themselves? My father passed away and we were on streets. I don't want you all to suffer. I don't want any Goan to suffer that. That is why I was angry that day, that it's cyclone, it's pandemic, there's COVID so much everywhere. People are dying and people are so careless on the street. I was damn pissed. I was damn angry that time. You all are waiting for incident to happen in your house? Guys, better be safe than sorry. I always say better be safe than sorry. That is why my rude language out to Goans and Indians. I saw it in Goa, that is why I said it to the Goans. Be safe than being sorry. सगळे भायर सरलेले चिकन मटन नुस्तें हाडपाक तेन्ना. वादळ सारको पावस, झाडां हे सायडीच्यान ते सायडी जुळटा, कितलेशी झाडां पडली, कोणाचे भेणार पडून आसलेली, कोणाचे भेणां मोडून गेली, कोणाचे गाडयेर पडली, गाडयेचे डॅमेज जाले, कोण मनशार पडले, कोणाचे घरार पडले. तरी आमी भायर सरता, लोक मरता ते डेली पळयता आमी. इतले 50 जण मेले, 100 जण मेले. But we still are doing tournaments. If that had to happen in your family, would you go and play in a tournament? Would you go and buy mutton outside? Would you go and buy fish outside? So you are just going to be selfish that, okay, it has not happened in my family, no, so let me enjoy. That is why this karma is coming to each and every human being in this world. Because we are getting into a selfish world. It's very difficult to watch this and I want to bring a change and I alone cannot. Everyone has to show the anger so that we tell one another, boss, don't go out there, man, if it is not required. We've got bread, butter, we've got dal, rice in the house, we can eat that. For 1-2 months we could avoid fish. We could avoid mutton. Cases would have reduced faster. Okay, the government was useless. They did not stop the border lines. But are we senseless? We know that the borders are open and we are still going out to take it from others. We could have been safe at home. Only one person could have just gone, bought it and come back home. At least the cyclone was for 3 days. Still why to go 3 days घराकडे रावपा जायना नाजाल्यार आमच्यान पेज जेन काडपा जाता आसलो time. Still people are out there. Those bad words or that anger is for those kind of people, not for the people who are educated and who are sitting in the house. Hats off to you guys who are in the house. You have saved your state, you have saved your country from getting into more disasters. Thank you so much. But for the people who are out, selfish people who are out, who wanted to still enjoy, that rude video was for them. Whatever it is, I don't care. I did my bit of it. I have done my best of it and I'll do it till I'm alive, because I want is what I will take down my grave or burn to ashes with respect, not with my money, not with my car, not with my gold. Respect is what you will leave behind. The name is what you will leave behind. You will live with. Your name will last forever, not your money, not your car, not your bungalow. Nobody's going, अरे ओ डिगीलो बंगलो ओ दिग्विजितालो बंगलो अरे डिगीले पैसे डिगीले बंगार म्हणपाना अरे डिगी तो बरो मनीस हा भरपूर हेल्प केले हे उरतले मरे in future, God forbid if there is any such kind of a thing, and if I am no more, everyone will say, I wish Diggy was there. I want everyone to support one another, and then you say like, no, we wish we stand by each other and help one another. Please share this video, guys. It is for the people who are sharing my negative video where I was upset, where I lost my father-in-law, my mother-in-law was critical, I lost my auntie, my son was positive, not because of me, because it came from outside. I was not living with my family. When I started going to the hospitals to take care of them, that is when I got COVID. While taking care of my in-laws, I was taking care of others also. That is when I got COVID. Nobody got COVID from me. So please share this video where people have shared my negative video. This is why I was angry. And people who want to be doing good for the society, come up with your own ideas. In and around you, every day you see problems. Choose one of that. Find a solution for it. Don't keep on complaining. When you're going to complain in life, you'll never be successful. And you'll always keep saying, how this Diggy is doing. Because you'll all want to just find out problems in one another. You all do not know to find a solution. When you start finding a solution, now there's a stain on my t-shirt. Do I keep complaining about that stain? Or I try to remove the stain? Or I throw the t-shirt out only? I'll try to find a solution, right? If a button is gone off my t-shirt, do I throw the t-shirt off or go and get a thread and a needle and try and stitch a button for it and reuse the shirt? Find solution, guys. Stop cribbing, stop criticizing. Make this world a better place. Everywhere you go, you see everywhere someone throwing some shit on one another. I don't like to do it. But if I'm capable enough to find solutions myself, why should I crib about others? Why should I complain about others? Why should I complain about problems? If I don't have a solution, I won't even complain about it. I will work up to watching from Chennai. Thank you, bro. Yeah, now I'll come to your questions. I'm just scrolling down. Anyone with questions? No one, I think so. You have good business knowledge. I would like to love. Yes, very much. Please come and meet me once I'm free. Okay, guys. Only thing that I request you guys is please share this video as much as possible. Please follow this page of mine. Please send invitations from your side. You can go to Digvijit Chavan Diggy and go to the option community. In community, it will be invite friends. Please do invite friends so that my videos reach maximum, and please do share all my videos. This is for bringing light to today's generation, bringing light about people suffering, what kind of problems people suffer from, and we need to use social media for a good platform, not to put one another down. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good night, and I would love to see more positive videos coming from every part of the world, every part of my state and my country. I have got a lot of followers in different states who admire my job and respect me. Thank you so much, Chennai. Thank you so much, Mumbai, Delhi, West Bengal, Kashmir, Pune, Kolhapur, then Belgaum. A lot of people from Karwar, a lot of people send me messages and they admire my work. Thank you so much, guys, and supporting my friends when they come to Chennai and helping them in the hospitals and all. This is why I share videos, that I have my fan followers who've taken care of Nikesh Ranka. If you go to this guy's page, Nikesh Ranka from Chennai has supported a lot to our Goan brother when he went with his baby to Chennai. He supported them a lot. He got them an apartment, took care of them. This is why I like doing videos, so that we have somebody in every state wherever our brothers are, and I can contact them and make them help our Goan brothers. So we need to respect one another. Whoever is in Goa, any outsider, respect them, so that outsiders respect our Goans in their states and they get together to help our Goan brother over there rather than putting our people down over there and putting our people in trouble over there. As we say, we are creation of one God. We got to get together and make this world a better place rather than making it into a worse place. Thank you so much. Please share this video, guys. Once again, I request, share.